A 1990 score football. Gotta like those early 90s colors. Coming right at you. Flash, yellow, red. Blister pack. Includes one exclusive underlined and in red. Hot card. See details on back. Here's the checklist for the hot cards. Joe Montana, Bo Jackson, Barry Sanders, Jerry Rice, Eric Metcalf, Don Makowski, Christian Okoye, Bobby Humphrey, Dan Marino, Sterling Sharp. Let's see. Of those, probably want to get Montana, Bo, Barry, Rice, Marino. So that's half. That's 50-50. Let's see if we can get one of those 50. So it's blister pack. Probably just interested in the hot card. So let's... Let's see what hot card we got and where it is. So one of these two stacks. Orange bordered card, I believe. So bam! Derek Thomas. Oh, wait, I think it's a black bordered card if I remember right now. Hot cards. Maybe we didn't get one. Maybe we got the air pack. It didn't even come with one. Not looking good. Guess we're going to have to go through them one by one. Mike Rozier, Reggie White. Oh, there's the hot card. Bobby Humphrey. Not in the top 10, not 5 of the top 10 we wanted, but all right. Bobby Humphrey. 1990 score, blister pack. Carl Mecklenburg. Randall Cunningham in there. Hot card, Bobby Humphrey.